Taposh Chatterjee, Devashish Sen, and all Supratim, and also all other people, all are present here. Today is the day for celebration. The Navy people, I will request the school students, the college students, obviously to visit this aircraft museum that Navy donated to us, and it is very important institution, you can say, or one archive, how they have fought for this. This is a heaviest, faster, higher flying turbo propellant, and this is a historic Kargil War, Operation Parakram, all the work. This aircraft worked about 30 years. And after that, it is the gesture of the Navy. They donated this aircraft to us. And from HITCO and KMDA, they have built up this park. And jointly we will work. We also gave 2.2 acres of land. And also we spent 11 crores for this purpose. This will encourage the people to join the Navy, to join the Army also. So it will be very useful for the future generation. I will request them to visit also. Now may I request all the Navy friends, the leader of the team, Mr. Rudrij Sahu, to say just few words of your performance.
Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Srimati Mamata Banerjee ji, and Mr. Firad Hakim, the Honorable Mayor of Kolkata, my senior colleague, Commodore retired Suprabodh Dey sir, all the dignitaries present here, and all the citizens of Kolkata, and my own dear friends from the Navy. A very, very good afternoon to all of you. It is indeed a great honor for us to have been associated with this project under the blessings, under the guidance of the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal. This is a giant leap, a giant milestone that has been achieved. And this aircraft, as the Honorable Chief Minister has just mentioned, is the longest, the heaviest turboprop aircraft in the world. It has spent about 30 years of glorious service to the nation. It has flown for about 3,000 hours in its service of 30 years and has had a traversing range of about 23,25,000 kilometers, which is equivalent to about going around the earth for about 50 times. We are very happy that this is a symbol of the Navy and it has been immortalized in this fashion, in a very glorious fashion in the city of Kolkata, city of joy. And I'm sure that a large number of youth will come, get educated, learn about the maritime history of our great nation, and also will motivate them to join the armed forces, the Navy, and serve the nation with pride. Thank you, madam, for your presence here. It is indeed a great moment for all of us in the Indian Navy. On the behalf of the Chief of Naval Staff, the Indian Navy, and the Eastern Naval Command, we thank the Honorable Chief Minister, the state government machinery, all the departments to make this project so successful. Thank you, madam.
I have another request to you as a chief of the Navy staff, that what you have done for Visakhapatnam, there is a submarine, used submarine.
Yes,
so
madam.
if you can donate us, So we can do it for Digha.
Aye,
That
ma'am.
will be very good one. It will create another tourist attraction, and especially the people cannot see the war fighter biman, fighter flight, or the submarine. So the people will be more and more interested to see that how you are doing the top job. Let
Yes,
them
ma'am.
see.
Yes, ma'am.
Because when I have visited inside the aircraft, I have seen that how strong, how the performance of the Navy people, how you do the hard work. It's a very, very tough work. Every machinery, every mechanism is a very rough and tough. So you take your life for the motherland when you worked here. So if we get one useless, means not useless, used, not in service now, so we will be very honored.
Right, ma'am. We will take your point, ma'am, and we'll progress with our senior naval headquarters and try to bring
And
one.
also, I will request chairman and MD here to develop the area, the lake area also. So, and also you can organize some online tickets for people also, only give free to the students. But other visitors, you can do what you are doing about tourism. But this place, I don't think more than 10 people can enter at a time. So that you plan. And lastly, I will request Aditi Munshi is here. At least one para or one songs, whatever she likes, because everybody will enjoy that. একটা রিলেটেড কোনো গান গাও এদের সাথে। ও ধনধান্যে গাইবে, যেহেতু গানটা আমরা সবাই জানি, আমরা সবাই গলা মেলাতে পারি।
ধন ধান্য পুষ্প ভরা আমাদের বসুন্ধরা, তাহার মাঝে আছে দেশে সকল দেশের সেরা, ও সে স্বপ্ন দিয়ে তৈরি সে দেশ স্মৃতি দিয়ে ঘেরা। এমন দেশটি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না গো তুমি, সকল দেশের রানী সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি, সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি, সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি। চন্দ্র সূর্য গ্রহ তারা কোথায় উজ্জ্বল এমন ধারা, কোথায় এমন খেলে তড়িৎ এমন কালো মেঘে, তার পাখির ডাকে ঘুমিয়ে উঠি পাখির ডাকে জেগে। এমন দেশটি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না গো তুমি, সকল দেশের রানী সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি, সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি, সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি। ভাইয়ের মায়ের এত স্নেহ কোথায় গেলে পাবে কেহ, ও মা তোমার চরণ দুটি বক্ষে আমার ধরি, আমার এই দেশেতে জন্ম যেন এই দেশেতেই মরি। এমন দেশটি কোথাও আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি।
ধুলাই নদীর জন্য এটা করে দিই। जब घायल हुए हिमालय, खतरे में पड़े आजादी, जब तक थे सांस लड़े ओ, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी, संगीन पे धर पर माथा, सो गए अमर बलिदानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद देश तेरा, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद।